CBSE Class 6 Lesson 8 What a Bird Thought. Summary of the poem. This anonymous poem describes a baby bird's evolving understanding of the world as it grows up. It shows how perspectives change with experience, from limited views to realizing the world's vast mystery. Now, in simple English summary, the poem is about a little bird and how its idea of the world changes as it grows. At first, as an egg in a shell, the bird thinks the world is small, round, and made of a pale blue shell. Then, in the nest with its mother, it believes the world is made of straw. When it flutters out of the nest, it sees leaves and realizes it was blind to bigger world. Finally, when it flies beyond the tree as a grown bird, it admits that it doesn't know how the world is really made, and neither do its neighbors. The poem teaches that our view of the world expands with new experiences.